Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry with Simpler Trading, and in tonight's free video, we're getting back into housing. I wanted to look at this with you because it's got a great theme that you can carry into any of your analysis of the market, and that is to start with a top-down approach, to begin with a sector, understand the signal that is unfolding in it, and then break down into its components to try to look for similar opportunities. So it's essentially three trade ideas, and I'm beginning by looking at it in ITB. Now, playing through the ETF can be great because you don't have to worry about direct results of earnings, right? You know, if one of the components takes a hit, maybe some of the others can pick up the slack, and in theory, it can be a little bit less volatile. But the reason why I'm bringing it to you here is just repetition of weekly signals. So you can see down here where you've got a squeeze, basically a phase of compression, and when that compression releases, the product is repriced, right? Kind of agreed upon that it trades here at 55 for a while, then when it gets going, it is repriced into 78. So it's similar thinking here that says for, several months now, it's been agreed upon that ITB is around 73, maybe we call it 72.5. Well, when this signal fires, you're going to see it repriced. And I believe that it'll be repriced up here into, let's use our upper extension and call it targets around 87. So the products I'm going to show you have varied expiries. Some have May, some have April. I think one is just February's. But I like going out this 160 days and buying some call options and just letting them ride. It's one thing that I'll do in addition to the shorter term trading that I have, but I like the idea that, just basically rinse and repeating where you're accumulating your position through here and then you give it those couple of months to just catch the trend. So I really think that's a good opportunity in there. And then we break it down into two components that look somewhat similar. So if we look at Toll Brothers and we just do the same thing, comparing this signal to the movement that you saw, I feel like right here, if you see where we are at the current moment in time, what about 3-4 bars of bullish momentum in that signal? You're effectively where we were right back here. And you can see that same idea where you had several weeks of consolidation and the move from 55 to just shy of 69. So repetition of this same pattern is what I'm looking for here. Again, options out into next year should give you time to see these through. And then the third being Lennar. So, you can probably see the theme here. And to just finish this one, you see where you're at in the squeeze here. I believe that resembles somewhere right here in this moment of time. And we're getting ready to do something like this. So I hope that helps as you consider some of your trading strategies as we get into the next year. I'll be updating these on probably a monthly basis, and we'll see how it unfolds. So y'all have a great rest of your evening, and we'll see you at the next free video.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me